Celgene is a pharmaceutical company, so it's part of the private part of the partnership on this. So in fact, the Harmony is a private and public partnership, and is really a big collaboration between plenty of stakeholders. So really, we have around the table all the key stakeholders regarding for innovative medicine. In fact, so Celgene is a part of this journey. The big data now will and are part of the future revolution, and the revolution is ongoing in the pharmaceutical industry. It's really, we are changing now the landscape of the future clinical development. So it's really important that, in fact, the big data will be part of this revolution and are the origin of this revolution. It will be a revolution in several aspects, in the development of the drug, and also in the observation of all the effects of the drugs. So from early development to late phase, the big data will be included, in fact. So we will use big data in order to have a better development of our drug. It will be also key for the safety of the patient, so for the pharmacovigilance. So big data will be part of a revolution regarding the efficacy and the safety of the product. So yes, it's really a key moment now because the landscape is completely changing due to the big data. So Harmony is really a really important project for that because all the people involved in the development of the drug and also the patients, the regulatory agency, obviously the investigator, the expert in specific area are involved in this project. So it's really a key moment due to that. So there are three aspects: public-private partnership, big data, and also multi-stakeholder work. It's really important. The collaboration is key also because as we need really to, we are coming with all our background. So around the table we could have, as I mentioned, patient association, so we could hear their voice and they could participate to this project. But we have also the experts, so the future people who will prescribe the drug. We have the pharma who are developing the drug, and also all the regulatory and agency who will approve this drug. So all the people that will use big data in the future, or the people who will benefit from big data, will be and are around the table on all the projects. Yes, the patient is the center of our and is the focus. So patients are part of the journey, but at the end it's for the patient. They are from the beginning to the end. To the beginning when we are collecting the data, and to the end because they will benefit from all the result of this research. So for example, we will work on new outcome definition. We could certainly observe new information regarding biomarker, and obviously, as it will have an impact regarding the development, the drug will be faster on the market, so they could benefit also faster about this product. So it's really, they are in the center of our collaboration. No, I'm very proud to be part of this project. It's really exciting and really is key. I think I am really proud to be part of this big change, and also very happy to collaborate with all these partners during this important journey.